Welcome to Learner's Planet. Lesson 3, the sentence. What is a sentence? A group of words, makes complete sense, starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop is called a sentence. Students, you have to remember that a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Every sentence has a complete sense, has a meaning. It starts with a capital letter. C is capital in capital word. So a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A complete sentence. So let's find out which of these is a complete sentence. The first one, he could. H is in capital, so he could. But he could does not make sense, has no meaning. Therefore, the first sentence, he could, is not a sentence. I am putting a cross for you students to show you that the first one is not a sentence. The next one, he could. It does not start with a capital letter and has no full stop. Also, it does not make any sense. So, it is not a sentence. The next one, a good boy. It starts with a capital letter O, ends with a full stop, a good boy, but does not make sense, has no meaning. It is incomplete. So, this is not a complete sentence. I am cancelling it, I am crossing it for you students. Let me show you the next one. A good boy, again, without a full stop, without capital letter in the beginning. So, this is not a complete sentence. Next, is a good boy. A full stop at the end but no capital letter in the beginning and it does not make sense. It does not have a meaning. Is a good boy. Who is a good boy? We do not know. So, I cancel it for you. Students, it is not a complete sentence. The last one. He is a good boy. This makes sense. We know that we are talking about a good boy. Capital letter H in the beginning, full stop at the end. So, this is a complete sentence. A tick to this sentence. Let's read some more sentences. He is a good boy. This is what we covered in the last slide. He is a good boy. H is in capital letter. Boy, after boy we have a full stop. Also, he is a good boy makes sense. So, this group of words can be called a sentence. Next, he is sleeping. H, capital, full stop, end. He is sleeping makes sense. So, this is a sentence. She is dancing. S, capital, full stop towards the end. Makes sense. She is dancing. Has a meaning. So, this is a sentence. She is reading a book. S, she starts with a capital letter. After book we have a full stop and she is reading a book has complete meaning. So, it is a sentence. The teacher is standing. The T has a capital. T is in capital letters. Standing, full stop. Also, this makes complete meaning. The teacher is standing is a sentence. Let's do an activity. Which of the given groups of words are sentences? They keep. Starts with the capital letter T but does not have a full stop and does not make sense. So, this is not a sentence. This group of words does not make sense. So, I am putting a cross for you. Not a sentence. Next one. He is writing a letter. This has complete meaning. This group of words has complete meaning. H is in capital. After letter there is a full stop. So he is writing a letter becomes a sentence. So it gets a tick. Next one, she burger. S starts with capital burger, full stop, but she burger does not give any meaning, has no meaning. She burger. Is she eating a burger? Is she seeing a burger? Students, we cannot make out from the sentence. There is no meaning. So, this is not a sentence. I am crossing it for you. Wrong sentence. Next one. They are eating a pizza. They starts with the capital T. After pizza, we have a full stop. They are eating a pizza. Makes complete sense. So, this is a sentence. Alright students, the next one. I live in India. I starts with capital, ends with the full stop. I live in India makes complete sense, has complete meaning. So, this becomes a sentence. Tick for this. Now students, let's move to the next slide. Activity 2. Use the words given in the box to complete the sentences. Let me read the words given in the box. Rights, hands, family, table, red. Now, let us see the sentences. The child is playing with a dash ball. Let us pick up. The child is playing with the rice ball. No. Hands ball. No. The ball has no hands. Family ball. There is no family with the ball and the child. Table ball. There is no table with the ball. Red ball. Yes, there is some red in color in the ball. So, the child is playing with a red ball. I'll fill the blank for you. Alright. The child is playing with a red ball. T is capital, a full stop after ball. The child is playing with a red ball has meaning. So, it is a sentence. The next one. She is washing her dash with soap. What is holding the soap? Hand. If you see the picture, come to the box. Rights, hands, family, table, red. So, the correct answer is hands. She is washing her hands with soap. Alright student, this is also a sentence. Let me show you the next one. The teacher dash on the blackboard. The teacher dash on the blackboard. Let us see the words. Rights, hands, family, table, red. We have used red and hands. So we are left with rights, family and table. The teacher is not doing anything with the family. There is no table in the picture, but the teacher is writing. So, the teacher writes on the blackboard. So, the correct word is writes. The teacher writes on the blackboard. Very good students. Now, the next sentence. My dash is going on a picnic. My family. Because we are left with two words. Family and table. Your table cannot go to the picnic. Your family will go to the picnic. My family is going on a picnic. I write this word for you students. My family is going on a picnic. Now the last sentence. He kept the cup on the dash. If you look at the picture, the cup is on the table. He kept the cup on the table. I'll write this for you students. So the sentence is, he kept the cup on the table. Very good students. Now here is the next slide. Match the beginning of each sentence with the ending. In one box we are given the beginning, the horse, the batsman, I'm waiting at the station, my mother put the candles, my watch shows. In the next box, the second box, we are given the ending of the sentence. Hit the ball on the cake, has 4 legs, the time for the train. Alright students, let's match. The horse cannot hit the ball on the cake, no, has 4 legs. So the horse has 4 legs. Let me match it. The horse has 4 legs. Next, the batsman hit the ball on the cake, the time for the train. Hit the ball. So the batsman hit the ball. Next, I am waiting at the station. I am waiting at the station. On the cake, the time for the train. We cannot say station and cake together. I am waiting at the station, the time is incomplete, does not make a sentence. I am waiting at the station for the train makes sense and is a complete sentence. So students, we match I am waiting at the station with for the train. Alright students, the next one. My mother put the candles. If you see the picture, my mother put the candles on the cake. So we match it with on the cake and it makes sense. So is a complete sentence. The last one, my watch shows the time. Look at your watches. My watch shows the time. So let us read all the sentences quickly. The horse has 4 legs. The batsman hit the ball. I am waiting at the station for the train. My mother puts the candles. My mother puts the candles on the cake. My watch shows the time. Now students, let's go to the next slide. Pick the most suitable word to complete the sentences. Very nice activity, students. A mango is a dash fruit. This is a mango. Bitter, angry, juicy. Bitter, no, mango is not bitter. It is sweet. But we do not have sweet over here. So I cancel bitter. Angry. Mango cannot be angry. Teacher can be angry. Student can be angry. But mango cannot be angry. The mango is a juicy fruit. Mango has juice. So the correct answer is juicy. The mango is a juicy fruit. Very good students. Next one. The fish dash in water. The fish dash in water. If you are watching a movie, then the fish will do all these 3 things in water. But students, look at the sentence very carefully. The fish swims, drinks, sleeps in water. The fish does not drink in water. The fish drinks in water is wrong. So, I cancel drinks. The fish sleeps in water. Wrong. I cancel it. The fish swims in water. I underline it. The correct answer is swims. So, the sentence becomes the fish swims in water. Next sentence. She switched on the dash. Look at the picture and tell me. Prayer, fan, newspaper. The picture shows the correct answer as fan. She switched on the fan. Next sentence. I am writing with a dash pen. I am writing with a dash pen. Look at the pen. Red, cold, wet. Pen cannot be cold. Pen cannot be wet. If you put your pen in water, it will stop writing, so it cannot be wet. I am writing with a red pen. So, the correct answer is red. Alright students, the next sentence. The policeman is chasing the house, thief or city. Look at the picture. There is no house, there is no city. The correct answer is thief. The policeman is chasing the thief. So the sentence becomes, the policeman is chasing the thief. Now students, jumble sentences. You are given a group of words, sleeps, baby, afternoon, the, in. You have to make a correct complete sentence. Take your time. The sentence should start with the baby because the baby sleeps. So the sentence will become, the baby sleeps in the afternoon. Alright students, let's go to the next slide. Look at this. Food, cooking, mother is kitchen, the in. The sentence should start with mother. Then what is mother doing is cooking. What? Food. So mother is cooking food in the kitchen. Next, twice Aman lesson read the has. So the sentence should start with Aman. Who has read Aman? Aman has done what? Aman has read. Aman has read what? The lesson. How many times? Twice. Aman has read the lesson twice. Are the movie watching two friends? So it has to start with two friends. The two friends are watching a movie. Okay students, let's go to the next slide. What is a question? A sentence that ends in a question mark is called a question. Therefore, a question is a group of words which makes complete sense, starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Okay, let us do some questions. What is your name? When are you going to Kerala? Where do you live? What are you eating? Why are you crying? Have you finished your homework? Alright students, let's do an activity. Match the beginning of each question with the ending. Is she hiding? Who is the captain? Which book? Where does your friend? Who has baked? Why is grandmother? Where will the bird? When are you going? Coughing? Are you reading? Behind the door? Build its nest? To Delhi? Of the cricket team? Live? This chocolate cake. Alright students, let's start matching. Is she hiding? Coughing? No, she cannot be coughing and hiding. Are you reading? No. Behind the door? Yes. Is she hiding behind the door? It makes complete sense. So this becomes a question. Is she hiding behind the door? Next, who is the captain? Captain of what? Coughing? Are you reading? Behind the door? Build its nest? To telly? Of the cricket team? Yes, of the cricket team. Who is the captain of the cricket team? Next, which book? Which big book, coughing, are you reading? Yes, which book are you reading? Makes complete sense. The fourth question. Where does your friend, coughing, no, build its nest? Your friend cannot build a nest. To Delhi. Where does your friend to Delhi? Does not make sense. Live. Yes, this makes complete sense. Where does your friend live? Okay, student. Next question. Who has baked? Coughing? No. Build its nest? No. To Delhi? No. This chocolate cake? Yes. Who has baked this chocolate cake? Okay, students, the next one. Why is grandmother coughing? Yes, grandmother is coughing. Next one. Where will the bird build its nest? Yes, the bird will build the nest. Last one. When are you going to Delhi? So students, let's read all the questions. Is she hiding? Is she hiding behind the door? Who is the captain of the cricket team? Which book are you reading? Where does your friend live? Who has baked this chocolate cake? Why is grandmother coughing? Where will the bird build its nest? When are you going to Delhi? Very good, students. Let's see the last slide. To school she come there has. Here is the question. Has she come to the school? Next question. Saturday going where you are on. If we put where in the beginning, then where are you going on Saturday? Why medicine you taking are this? Why are you taking this medicine? Alright students, this was all about sentences. Thanks for joining.